In this video, I am going to teach you how to use ClickUp for your software development projects. Using the right templates helps your dev team stay organized and agile. Stay until the end to level up your workflows. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace for your marketing team. In the Space section, select the space you want to use for development and click the three dots next to it. This opens extra settings for that space. Choose Templates from the options that appear. This lets you quickly add pre-built structures for your dev tasks. Click Browse Templates to see all the available templates. This saves you time setting up tasks from scratch. In the search bar, type Software Development and choose Kanban Software Development for an agile board style. This template is great for sprint tracking and backlog management. Click Use Template to apply it to your space. Now you can edit it, add tasks, and start collaborating with your dev team. And that's how to use ClickUp for software development. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!